Today, if you look at the dunya and the world, this is what it is. Everyone is in their own negligence. Everyone is in their own, frame or little box which they are stuck in. And people are not pondering over akhirat. They're not pondering over qiyamah. Everyone just thinks, I will just pass my life and everything will happen as is. Like there's a saying of Muhammad Ali. He says that if you see your life at the age of 40 exactly how you're seeing it at the age of 20, then you have wasted 20 years of your life. Meaning every year or every moment you're supposed to look at life differently and start preparing for the life hereafter. Like Arabic poet says, وَمَنْ عَاشَ فِي الدُّنْيَا طَوِيلًا تَقَلَّبَتْ عَلَى عَيْنَيْهِ حَتَّى يَرَى صِدْقَهَا كِذْبَهَا. A person who lives long in this world, generally a person who is aged and he had a lot of experience of life, he will realize that those truths of the past are the lies of today. When you were young, everything was looking, so good. I will do this and I will do this in dunya, people will do this for you and people will do that for you. And your wealth will do this for you and your wealth will do that for you. Later on in your life, you realize that everything was just an illusion. It was just false, So this whole entire world is false. Mata'ul ghurur, Allah Ta'ala says this world is an illusion. And what you see in front of you is not the reality of this world. It's what Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala desires from what you see in front of you. That is the reality. If Allah Ta'ala instructs you to utilize this dunyawi ni'mat and bounties in the way He wants, then you'll be rewarded. However, if you feel that no, I'll just do whatever I want, then it's a deception. It will get you towards an illusion. Like Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu says, "An-nasu niyam idha matun tabahu." That everyone is in dreamland. Today in this world, everyone is in dreamland. Idha matun tabahu. When they will die, that is when they will actually wake up. Your eyes will open when you will die. This was the saying of Ali radiallahu anhu. And today, unfortunately, we look, in the illusion world, we have even more illusions. And that is the digital world. So, first of all, we're living in Mata'ul Ghurur. We're living in a world of deception. And more and above that, we have a greater deception, and that is the digital world. And now they're speaking about metaverse and people are buying all sorts of things on their investments, etc. A greater deception is what we have currently in our times. And Allah Ta'ala has mentioned, dunya in different ways. Baytul Ankabut. Dunya is Baytul Ankabut, a spider web. So now they made Spider-Man. Now everyone is following, trying to be Spider-Man, jumping off the containers, etc.